Hi, I just want to show you how to change the exhaust on a Volvo S60. So my one had a nice sound, but yeah, just to repair it and to reduce the noise, I wanted to exchange the exhaust. So you see the old one. From the lower side it was looking pretty well, but from the upper side, because of the water was always getting in here, you see it's already broken. And I just bought a new one. I was wondering why it was quite expensive, but you have to look carefully for the type of the exhaust you need, and then it's just quite simple. So you have to release just 2 screws underneath. So one is here and one is over there. I got the new one already in. So just release this one, size 17, and this one, size 17. I painted it because it was also of rust on there. And I released this one. The old one was so damaged I couldn't release the screw. You can see it over here. This was the original part. So we're here, and I just cut the screw using this little tool, and so it was able to release this one. And yeah, and I had the problem, everything was quite damaged already here. I used some spray which is able to work on up to 600 degrees Celsius, and I just cleaned it a bit, and yeah, was just releasing this one. And in order to get the exhaust off, I just also cut a bit from the side carefully, yeah, just opening it from one of these points, yeah, and I used a screwdriver just to open it from the other. And it was pretty easy, and so now the sound is much better. And I had some paste like this. I read on the internet, copper paste. You put it into the inside to release it next time a bit easier. And yeah, that was pretty much it. Yeah, releasing the one who's this thing which is holding this together, releasing the 2 screws which are holding the exhaust from here, and then you can simply take it out. And yeah, in my case I just painted it a bit new, and yeah, that's it. So just put a little ramp underneath, and it's quite easy. So what I used here is ZN Professional, and it's up to, was at 600 degrees Celsius. Yeah, so that's it. So saving money the easy way. Thanks for watching. This was Volvo S60 from 2011.